Today I got my Eversweet strawberry plants in the mail, and I'm going to show you the best way to plant them. So first thing you want to do is find the right location for your strawberries. They need about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, well-draining soil, and about a pH of 5.5 to 6.8. So I picked this raised bed, gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day, has good soil, and it's a raised bed, so it's well draining. The second thing you'll want to focus on is where you get your strawberry plants from. This is from a store called Gurney's. It's close to my location, highly reputable. This will ensure your quality and also the variety you selected. So when it comes to planting, you'll want to dig holes so that the roots can spread out in all directions. And this is an important tip. The crowns of the roots should be above the soil. If you plant them below, that crown can rot and cause the plant to die. You'll want to plant about 12 to 18 inches apart, and if you're planting in rows, about 2 to 3 feet apart in those rows. Now I'll pop this bag open, start separating the roots. So if they come like this, let's see, these are starting to grow. I'm actually going to take my gloves off to separate these. So there's a bunch of plants together here that you're going to be careful separating. Oh, here's a rubber band, so that's good. I saw that. It's inevitable. Some roots will fall off. Don't worry. Strawberries are pretty resilient. Now that I got the roots separated from each other, I'm going to start laying them out where I think I'm going to plant them. So we're going to have to dig pretty deep so that these can spread out. Let's see how that looks. So you can see I got all the roots, trying to spread them out in all directions. Keep this leaf and the crown above the soil line. Make sure they're not caught up together. Have some going out that way. That should be good. And then you can start filling in the soil around it by trying to keep that above. So you can see that crown is still above. These roots are out here. Make sure that's covered up. The crown's above. There we go. Step number 4 is watering. So you want to make sure your strawberries get a nice good watering to help those roots settle into the soil when you first plant them. And then you want to keep these roots nice and moist but not waterlogged throughout the season. After doing that, it's always a good idea to mulch your strawberries. This helps keep the moisture in. So I got some leaves here, and I'll just spread them around the base, keeping the leaves outside of it.